I think I am positioning Pink Floyd's The Wall and my own complete total self-destruction. Being self-destruction, totally being me and myself and I and everything. It's just hilarious and phenomenal that I've been like this, 30 days now, and it seems that it never ends. But it will end someday. When I thought this ruined my life of being sober and being 30 days sober. So I get 31st day. It's been fun. I've been recovering very well, and I like this. It's pain some days, but it's easily I understand. So